Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default units in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button and at the project default settings section, click on the default units part, and as you can see you have two options, so you can set it to metric or you can set it to imperial. So click on whichever you prefer, and this function is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.